Can you picture this? You're at a bustling farmer's market, the air thick with the scent of fresh produce and artisanal goods. You spot the perfect handcrafted wooden table, the kind that would transform your living room. The vendor, a wizened old artisan, smiles and says, "Cash or check, friend?" "No cards here." You reach for your wallet, only to find nothing. Just a few crumpled bills and your debit card. Panic sets in. You remember you have an Ally bank account. But, can you even write a check from Ally? That's the question we're diving into today, the burning question that many of you, especially those navigating the world of online banking, have probably asked yourselves. We're not just going to give you a simple yes or no. We're going to break down the ins and outs of Ally Bank's checking capabilities, explore the nuances of check writing in the digital age, and ultimately, equip you with the knowledge you need to confidently manage your finances. Let's start with the basics. Ally Bank, as many of you know, is an online-only bank. This means they don't have physical branches like traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. Their focus is on providing convenient and accessible banking services through their website and mobile app. This model often leads to lower fees and competitive interest rates, which is a major draw for many customers. But the absence of physical branches can sometimes raise questions about traditional banking tools like checks. Ally offers two main checking accounts, the Ally Interest Checking Account and the Ally Spending Account. Both of these accounts allow you to write checks. Now, here's the crucial part, getting those checks. When you open either of these accounts, Ally will provide you with your first set of checks for free. This is a standard practice and a significant convenience for customers who still rely on checks for certain transactions. These checks function just like any other check. They include your name, address, account number, and routing number, all the essential information needed for processing payments. You can write checks for various purposes, from paying rent to settling bills with individuals or businesses that don't accept electronic payments. But what happens when you run out of checks? Don't worry, Ally makes it easy to order more. You can do this directly through your online account or mobile app. Simply log in, navigate to the Order Check section, and follow the prompts. You'll have the option to choose from different check designs and specify the quantity you need. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why would you still need checks in the age of digital payments? Well, there are several scenarios where checks remain indispensable. As mentioned earlier, some businesses or individuals may not accept credit or debit cards. Landlords, contractors, and small businesses are common examples. Additionally, checks can be useful for sending gifts, making donations, or simply keeping a paper trail of certain transactions. It's also important to note that Ally Bank provides robust online and mobile tools to help you manage your checking account. You can view your check images online, track your transactions, and set up alerts to monitor your account activity. This combination of traditional check writing and modern digital banking tools gives you the best of both worlds. Let's briefly weigh the pros and cons of using checks. On the plus side, checks provide a secure and traceable method of payment. They offer a physical record of the transaction, which can be helpful for budgeting and record keeping. However, they can be slower than electronic payments, and there's always the risk of them getting lost in the mail. The act of writing a check itself can also be meaningful. There's a certain formality and personal touch that comes with handwriting a check, especially for significant transactions or gifts. This tangible aspect can be particularly important in certain cultural or social contexts. Of course, Ally Bank also offers a wide range of digital payment options. You can use Zelle for quick and easy transfers to friends and family, and their bill pay feature allows you to schedule recurring payments and pay bills directly from your account. These digital tools provide a convenient alternative to checks for many everyday transactions. So, to reiterate, yes, you can absolutely write checks from your Ally Bank checking account. Ally provides you with your initial set of checks for free, and you can easily order more through their website or mobile app. While digital payments are increasingly popular, checks still serve a valuable purpose in certain situations. It's all about having options and choosing the payment method that best suits your needs. Ally Bank understands this, which is why they offer both traditional check writing capabilities and a comprehensive suite of digital banking tools. Ultimately, whether you're writing a check at a farmer's market, paying your rent, or simply preferring the tangible nature of a paper transaction, Ally Bank has you covered. They provide the flexibility and convenience you need to manage your finances effectively. Remember, banking should be about empowering you, giving you control over your money. It's not about forcing you into one-size-fits-all solutions. It's about offering a diverse range of tools to cater to your unique needs and preferences. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where a check is required, rest assured that your Ally Bank account has you covered. You can confidently write that check, knowing that you have the support of a modern, customer-focused online bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.